Sum number 4, let us prove. In my old book, it is not given right hand side. Let us prove this equals to 1. There will be equals to 1 right hand side. Sum number 4, number 1. So from left hand side I am starting as it is proof. Left hand side is given a to the power q by a to the power r whole to the power p r by whole to the power q p by q whole to the power r. Okay. Then same base a. So in case of division, we can subtract the powers. It is becoming a to the power q minus r, and outside there is p. Here r minus p q. P minus q, then open the bracket. A to the power pq minus pr, rq minus pq, pr minus qr. Again there is multiplication sign and all base same a. So in case of multiplication, powers will be added. What we are doing, we are applying the rules. Clear? So rules you have to learn. Now powers will be added. pq minus pr plus rq minus pq plus pr minus qr. Now check. pq plus minus, yes, cancel out. pr minus plus, rq plus minus. So it is coming a to the power 0, its value is 1. So we have got right hand side, hence proved. Clear? Then next one. Next one, left hand side. Next one also not given, right hand side equals, let us prove equals to 1, that is not missing. It's a left hand side. M plus n into n plus L plus n. Again, in case of division, same base, power will be subtracted. X to the power m minus n, and outside there is m plus n into here n minus L into n plus L. Then next L minus m into L plus m. Then don't multiply, simple multiplication don't do. In class 9 you know all the formulas, so you have to apply formula, otherwise I'll give 0 when I check that you have just simply multiplied. Don't do that. A minus b into a plus b, formula we know, so you have to apply formula. A square minus b square. Similarly here this, and that is coming a square minus m square. Now base same, multiplication, so powers will be added. M square minus n square again, this is plus minus minus plus, everything is cancelled out. X to the power 0 1 right hand side, hence proved. Clear? Then next one I'll give you in online class, you have to do yourself. Okay, then I'll check copy. Then number 4. Number 4, left hand side. A to the power 1 by x minus y to the power 1 by x minus z into a to the power 1 by y minus z into y by y minus x into right hand side you have to prove equals to 1 given. Okay. Now here by the rule of laws of indices, if it is in the form of a to the power m into n, so we'll multiply, it is coming a to the power mn, that means x minus y into x minus z into here it is coming y minus z into y minus x, then z minus x into z minus y. Then you know, sorry, in case of multiplication, if same base, powers will be added. Now I am adding. So it is coming y to the power x minus y into x minus z plus y minus z, y minus x plus z minus x into z minus y. Then we have to take LCM. But one thing here you have to do. What is that? Here you check LCMs are not same. X minus y, x minus z, y minus z, y minus x, z minus x, z minus y. So we maintain that alphabetical order: x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. If there is not, so we have to take minus common. Here x minus y, x minus z. So we will make it minus, take common, x minus y, and this x minus z will make it z minus x. Clear? Plus here y minus z, but there is y minus x. Again take common, minus, so it is becoming x minus y. Here z minus x, here we have to change. Z minus x, it is okay, we will make it y minus z. Now minus sign right in front, all are negative, negative, negative. I am taking common. Now what is the LCM now? X minus y, y minus z, and z minus x. So here x minus y and z minus x. What is missing? Y minus z. Write down, give one bracket. Then plus, who is missing? Y minus z, x minus y, z minus x. Here x minus y is missing. Then y cancelled out, x cancelled out. So it is coming a to the power 0 by something, means always it is 0. So its value is 1, right hand side. Hence proved. Clear? The next one you will get in next video.